I'm Erica. I'm going to be cooking pan-fried gnocchi with mushrooms and leeks, heroing mushrooms, which are a seasonal autumnal ingredient. So first of all, I'm just going to chop half an onion. I'm going to finely dice this onion through in all the different directions. Made a bit of a mess. Waiting around. The onions are cooking now, and I'm just going to cook the parsley whilst they're sautéing away. Did I say cook? I meant cut. To chop the parsley, the best way to do it is just roll it up into a tiny ball, and then you can just go through with your knife and it cuts it nice and finely. So the pan's nice and hot now. I'm just going to go in with the pine nuts, and they're going into a dry pan, and we'll just toast them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Toasting nuts brings out all their flavour. The heat of the toast actually brings out all the essential oils inside the nut, which is where all the flavour's kept. So it makes them really delicious and also gives them a bit of a crunch. So this is just a couple of cloves of crushed garlic, and I'll cook that off for 1 to 2 minutes or until you can start to smell the garlic flavour. So the pine nuts have got a nice brown colour on them now, and they're smelling really nice and nutty. Okay, so now it's time for our hero ingredient, the mushroom. These are actually button mushrooms. We send them to you pre-sliced, so it is a massive time saver. So mushrooms and butter are a really good combination. So I'm just going to go in with 20 grams of butter, the mushrooms, and also some leek. The trick with this is you want to use a really big pan because you want the gnocchi to be spread out in an even layer. If the pan's too crowded, then it won't crisp up. So we're going to cook the mushrooms until they turn really dark brown. I think a lot of the reason why people don't tend to like mushrooms is because they've had undercooked mushrooms. But the more you cook them, the more flavour they develop and the more delicious they are. So I'm just going to season that gnocchi with some salt and pepper. So the mushrooms have also got a nice golden brown colour on them. I'm going to add the gnocchi into the pan with the vegetables. And then for a sauce, we're using Greek yoghurt. It's a really healthy alternative to using cream. It's important to turn the pan off the heat and let the pan cool down a little bit before you add the yoghurt, or the yoghurt might curdle and go a bit grainy. Adding the spinach, some Parmesan cheese, and then some salt and pepper. Bring that all together. So we're all plated up now. I'm just going to finish with some garnishes. So we've got Parmesan cheese, toasted pine nuts, which give it a really nice crunch, and some fresh parsley. And there you have it, pan-fried gnocchi.